Rain.
Removing the coriander seeds. Placement said sieve on top of said watch yourself. There. Seat up. Shovel out. Mouth shut. Best compost.
Definitely best compost. Best compost goes over this one. The best fine compost in the bug and will be transported back to the greenhouse.
So, changing shovel to round shovel.
Changing shovel to round shovel
Much easier to scrape it up.
to get some fine soil that the plants can grow into it very well.
So we don't need much this time. I filled up the bug all the way to the top. And 10 times like this, because we don't need much. This is just for the end of the greenhouse with the coriander in your square.
It will be a fine soil for
So,
herbal
this is the
seeds.
bit I like. This is the bit I like coming up.
Yeah,
Watch this.
and gone.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Stones out, piece of wood out, fine soil in.
Go. Ready?
Ready, steady,
Go
go.
on. Oh, not gone.
Oh, it's okay.
I'm pretty good with this bug, get around the corner, you can get the wheels spinning. And it's just the